Nutraceutical and health food have been a growing trend among modern society due to increasing awareness about healthy lifestyle. What is a nutraceutical? Nutraceutical is a new terminology which is a combination between nutrition and pharmaceutical. Food or food product that provide health and medical benefits, including treatment and prevention of disease. What is health food? Health food is a nutrient-dense processed food that support well-being to improve health and reduce risk. Nutraceutical play important role to prevent and manage chronic disease, provide health benefit beyond basic nutrition, and support overall well-being. In Malaysian perspective, nutraceutical products have become more popular due to greater awareness among consumers. Common example popular nutraceutical products in Malaysia is collagen drink, herbal supplement, bird nest drink, and probiotic drinks such as Yakult. For example, Yakult is a well-known probiotic drink that contains Lactobacillus paracase shirota strain, a beneficial bacterium that support gut health and digestive health. In Malaysia, Yakult is widely consumed by people of different age groups, including children, adults, and athletes. Yakult is certified halal by JAKIM, making it suitable for Muslim consumer. In addition, nutraceutical products in Malaysia must be regulated by the Ministry of Health and National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency (NPRA) to ensure their safety, quality, and compliance with regulation. Overall, Yakult is a good example of nutraceutical products support health and wellness while meeting the need Malaysian consumer.
We have conducted a survey involving 33 respondents to understand consumer awareness and preferences towards probiotic products in Malaysia. The results showed that 90-70% had heard of probiotics, with Yakult and yogurt being the most commonly consumed products. Most respondents agreed that brand reputation and price influenced their purchasing decisions, while over 80% were concerned about misleading health claims. Most importantly, 100% agreed that halal certification is an essential factor. Overall, Malaysian consumers prefer probiotic products that are trusted, affordable, scientifically supported, and halal certified.
Okay, moving on to global perspective, it's fascinating to see how culture trend is directly shaped by regional regulatory. Firstly, in US, is driven by lifestyle focus. Consumer demand speed, convenience, and immediate functional result. For example, probiotic product like energy drink, gummies, and sparkling soda. They are regulated under FDA, DSHA Act. Food functional products are classified as dangerous and as manufacturers enjoy a massive speed to the market advantage. In contrast, Japan approached probiotic through a lens of longevity, facing heavily super-aged demographic food as preventative medicine. Innovation here focuses on cut-brain disease, targeting mental stress and cognitive support, using specific strains like Lactobacillus cases shota found in Yakult 1000. This government by forcible system to get the government approval soon. Companies must provide human clinical trial data, which create consumer trust. Moving over to the Germany, represents market of purity. The consumer mindset in health hyper focus on clean labels, organic sourcing, and plant-based alternatives such as coconut-based semberfi. However, the EFSA regulation deleted probiotic is banned from their packaging because it's legally deemed an unauthorized health claim. Also as a consumer protection. Comparison functional food between globals and Malaysia. In US, trend focus on active lifestyle and convenience. Then probiotic innovation focus on functional gummies and energy drink, regulation DSHA, FDA, and user segmentation suitable for millennials and Gen Z. While in Japan, trend food functional focus prevention medicine and healthy aging. Then probiotic innovation focus on gut-brain axis and stable probiotic regulation for sure. Then this functional food suitable for all age group. Moving on to the Germany trend, more to naturalness and suitable purity. Then probiotic innovation, clean labels, and plant-based probiotic regulation, EFSA, and user segmentation for vegan and organic focused consumer. While in Malaysia, trends more focus on health awareness and immunology defense, Then probiotic innovation, focus on probiotic drinks and local herbs, regulation, MOH, and PRA, and suitable for all age groups.
Next, I will discuss the trade and market analysis of probiotic products. Firstly, globalization has played an important role in the growth of the probiotic industry. Through globalization, countries can share research, technology, and expertise in developing probiotic products. For example, many probiotic strains are researched and developed in countries such as Japan before being used in products sold worldwide. Secondly, the probiotic market has experienced significant growth due to increasing consumer awareness of gut health and preventive health care. More consumers are choosing probiotic products because they believe these products can support digestive health, strengthen immunity, and improve overall well-being. The probiotic industry also depends on global supply chains. The process begins with research and development, followed by manufacturing, packaging, distribution, and finally reaching consumers. For example, probiotic strains may be developed in Japan, manufactured in Malaysia, and distributed to consumers through various retail channels. In addition, e-commerce platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, Amazon, and TikTok Shop has expanded market access for probiotic products. These platforms make it easier for consumers to purchase products while allowing companies to reach a larger market. However, several challenges remain. These include counterfeit products, quality control issues, and differences in regulation between countries. Therefore, stronger regulation and quality assurance measures are necessary to ensure the safety and effectiveness of probiotic products in the global market. In conclusion, globalization and e-commerce have accelerated the growth of the probiotic market, but maintaining product quality and consumer trust remains essential for sustainable industry development.
Let's move to the consumer's preferences. Health awareness and cultural shift are completely reshaping probiotic consumption. Why probiotic consumption is skyrocketing in Malaysia? According to a recent local survey, consumer demand is heavily driven by preventive healthcare. A massive 82.3% of consumers choose probiotics specifically to manage digestive health and find gut relief. However, notice how strong the other categories are. Immune support, general wellness, and disease prevention have all surged post-pandemic. Consumers are transitioning from reactive treatments to proactive daily wellness habits. But how do they choose which brands to actually buy? Moving on this second slide, our data highlights a highly modernized trust ecosystem. Looking at our information sources chart, social media platforms take the largest slice at 41%. Here, short-form educational videos on apps like TikTok have become the primary tool for introducing brands to young adults. This is reinforced by lifestyle influencers who build high-value aesthetic affinity and trust. However, notice the 32% and 17% slices for healthcare and professionals and family. This creates a digital to physical loop. Consumers discover aesthetic probiotic trends on TikTok, validate them through community reviews, and ultimately complete their trusted purchases at local pharmacies. Finally, let's compare local trends against global preferences. Our comparative table shows a distinct contrast. In Malaysia, purchasing behavior is heavily anchored in cultural and economic needs. Halal certification is an absolute requirement for religious compliance and food safety assurance, and consumers remain highly price sensitive, opting for affordable cultured drinks. Globally, however, the market is moving toward sustainability, clean label plant-based alternative, and strict scientific evidence, while the global consumer demands specialized, premium, and clinically proven strains. The Malaysian consumer prioritized halal integrity, trusted family advice, and everyday affordability. Understanding these differences is key to successfully developing and marketing functional food products.
Overall, probiotics have many strengths that help to improve gut microbiota balance, support digestive and immune health, and may reduce the risk of certain diseases. They are also widely available in products like yogurt, cultured milk, and supplements, making them affordable and accessible for consumers. However, there are still challenges. Probiotics are sensitive to heat, moisture, and oxygen, which can reduce their effectiveness. Many consumers also have limited knowledge about the correct strains and dosage. In addition, maintaining probiotic viability during storage and transportation, as well as differences in regulations between countries, remain important issues. Although probiotics are generally considered safe for healthy individuals, some safety concerns should be considered. Misleading health claims and products without strong scientific evidence may confuse consumers. There are also potential risks for people with weakened immune system when probiotics could occasionally cause infections. Therefore, proper quality control, accurate labeling, and clear usage instructions are essential to ensure probiotics are safe and beneficial. So, in conclusion, probiotics have strong potential to improve public health and support future functional food development. Advances in technology will help to improve probiotic survival and effectiveness, while personalized nutrition may allow probiotic products to be tailored to individual health needs. At the same time, stronger regulations and continued research are needed to ensure product quality and support reliable health claims. Overall, probiotics are expected to play an increasingly important role in the future of nutrition and healthcare.